What's up guys? I'm super stoked to see you guys on my channel. This video we're going to take a tour of this specific home. I'm standing inside the courtyard. I'm going to show you this property from A to Z guys, but stay tuned and end this video because this property, it is different than majority of homes here in Southwest Florida. It has 2,502 square feet, so it's a 4-bedroom and it's basically 3.5 bath guys. This property is amazing, and plus on top of that, it is turnkey and it sits on a golf course. So stay tuned to this video, check it out, this property, and let me know what you think in the comment about this property specifically. Let's go. As you know, I always like to start from the outside. It is a beautiful street right here. Guys, this is the house right here. So it's a brand new roof, guys. It is my listing. There's a number right there that you can text to 239-356-1965. Text 1328 and you get all the information about this property right here. Check it out, it's a beautiful property here. Yep, my beautiful truck sits here in the driveway. It just changed out this garage door. It's hurricane improved basically, and impact garage doors, impact window, new metal roof guys. Looks like a tile, but it is metal roof. And this is the mother-in-law suite right here. Guys, just look at this as you come through this front door. It's French door, looks beautiful guys. Look at the courtyard guys. Here's a beautiful part of this home is right here, because you have a jacuzzi. This is your master bedroom right there. You can go right into a pool. This is beautiful pool guys, and you have mother-in-law suite. We'll go there last, so if you love to have an extra unit on your property, so you better stay to the end of this video so you can see what's inside of that unit. Again guys, look at this, you can just patio here, you can sit. Right now the sun kind of already have a shade here more, but during daytime you have all the sun right here, so you can tan if you want to. But this area is pretty nice. You have a bedroom there in the back, and you have like a family room here. But let's go to the front door. Let me show you guys inside this property. It's beautiful. Hey, what's up guys? Me again. Guys, check it out. Nice high ceilings guys. You have this wall, there's birds flying and ocean view in the way. Back patio in the back. They have an office / room here. Let's go check it out. Comment below what do you guys think about the pool area. It's pretty cool, right? So you have like an office, but it's a room because it does have a closet here, right? A nice closet here, right? Guys, nice baseboard, casing, floor, not a carpet. As you see in my other videos, some homes they have still have put carpets in the rooms. Yep, they still do. Nice fan. Again, very high ceiling in the property. Let me guys take you here before I go to master. So you have your little bar here as well in the way if you have guests coming over, serve drinks, whatever you guys want to do. Right, so this is your family room, guys. Look at this huge family room, guys. This house is 2,502 square feet under AC. The whole property, it is about over 3,000 square feet. And all this furniture stays, by the way, as well. It's turnkey property. You have a nice, beautiful breakfast place. Now you have a kitchen right here. Yes, kitchen is a little more outdated, but for the price you're getting, trust me, you can get this kitchen updated as well, and probably still have some cash left over. New appliances, that way you don't have to worry about anything. And the cool part about it is, if you guys noticed it, yes, you do have like a more hangout family room here, breakfast place, dining room right here to your right. And if you have guests over that you don't want them to see the mess in the kitchen, they're just behind the wall, right? So you have more privacy. Those who like to cook at home, it's a perfect location. So guests sit here, drink the wine, whatever they do, and you fellowship, and that's it, guys. That's pretty cool. Let me show you guys here. Let's go into this room. Let me see if you guys noticed something in this video. In my previous video, I always talk about, I hate this one thing. Comment below if you know what I'm talking about. Hey, there's me again. There's a bunch of mirrors. Yep. Again, nice, spacious room, guys. It's not a small room, it's a very spacious room. It's your guest room here as well, that you can just have a, go to the bathroom right here, boom, right? Updated bathroom, tile all the way up, guys. And you guys know I always talk about, look at this style, look how the space they made it perfectly, right? So it's not like one side and you have half tiles here. They made it, whoever did the tile work here, they did a great job, guys. Look at those lines, guys, amazing. Whoever did this bathroom, he knew what he was doing. It's amazing. All right, let's go. Let me show you guys master bedroom, guys. Now since I'm here, let me show you guys your laundry and garage. The bathroom behind here, your pool's right there, family room, living room, kitchen, right? Boom. Come in here, right? You have so much closet here. You have cabinets that you can put things away. You have a sink, Washer and dryer, brand new, guys. Washer and dryer, brand new. All right, let's go here. Let's go check it out here. Nice garage. Hey, for the right offer, you can take this minivan and put yourself as well. You have a storage there as well on top that you can put things away if you come here for the winter. Or guys, all these bicycles come with as well with the house. Another cool thing about this specific property, guys, see this space right here? As normal you have 12 and you have some extra ones that go 18 inches. Oh, I know from the opening, like that side right there, the usual is. But here you have all this extra 4 feet here that you can store things like garbage cans. Oh, my mic just dropped. Sorry, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. A lot of space here, guys. Let's go to the master. Are you guys ready with me or not? I haven't seen the comments yet. If you guys find out one thing in here that really drives me crazy, if you watched my videos before, you should know it. Definitely should know it. All right, this is the half bathroom I told you about as well, right? Nice half bathroom here for the guest. If you come here, they have 1 to 2 drinks. They got his bathroom. There you go. Your master suite. Let's go, guys. As well, nice vaulted ceiling. Very high. Guys, you have your pool area to just go hang out, you know, with your friends or with your wife, kids. Closet for him is, I always tell my video, the small closet is for him, the bigger closet is for her. Let's check it out. Ta-da! Nice walk-in closet, guys. All right, here's the bathroom under lighting as well. Boom, walk-in shower with a tub and the man's office. Yep, man's office. Let me show you guys. This home actually sits on a golf course, guys. Yep, it's a golf course house. And HOA, guys, $130 a month. It's nothing. They do everything for you. So now for the moment that you guys have been waiting for, and I told you guys, if you like mother-in-law suites, this is the moment they've been waiting for, because this is amazing, hands down. It's beautiful. Whoever did the job there as well. This is my sweet spot. Let me know what's your favorite part about this home in a comment below. I want to know what's your favorite part of this house. Was that the courtyard? Would that be hangout area, the kitchen? Or maybe, after all, is this what's behind this specific door? Are you guys ready to go in there?
No! God, please, no! No!
Come on, 1, 2, 3, let's go.
No!
Guys, as you walk in, updated, you can say kitchen here. Not full kitchen, but you have a space for microwave. Obviously, if you put an offer in, we can definitely get you a microwave there as well. Hey, there's me again with the mirror. Nice white shakers cabinets, guys, that are here installed, guys. There you go, and you have your light over the sink. Nice shelves here. You have a sink here as well. If you had to wash a cup of coffee, guys, look. Ah, soft close. Yeah. What I was told, this outlet's been installed with the proper wiring, so you can put anything, any appliances pretty heavy, they will run. They will not pop the breakers. Guys, look at all these cabinets that you have. If you gotta put some clothes here as well to hang, it's perfect. It's perfect, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Space for your socks and your underwears. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And you have your own access to the pool. Guys, isn't that cool? Look at this. Queen bed, it just fits perfectly. You have some more space. If you want to put a king bed here, you can do it as well. And you have an impact window here as well, guys. So you are safe. New, brand new roof, metal roof, guys. You might say, oh, hold on a second, we got a kitchen, but what happened to the bathroom? Don't worry, I got you. Oh, look at that. That's what I say. A lot of people probably from the pool will be coming here to use the bathroom. But look at that, guys. Look at that. Same thing, nice shelving here as well. Like it's double shelf here, so you can have space for soap, for shampoo bottles. I see a lot of times where people will do this and they will not leave enough space for shampoo bottles here. So it's so awkward, so weird. And you have the valve here, so when you turn the water on in the shower, you don't have to stand there and hide in, kind of run away from this closet so you can get wet and get cold, because we in Florida, we don't like cold. All right, guys, the bathroom as well, guys. The way he installed it, he put an outlet there as well in the back. So if you want to put a bidet there as well, so you can do it for yourself if you want to. And again, it's all square casing, guys, and square bases. Yep, it is nice. Fridge, mini fridge. So this is it, guys. Let's go outside. You have a brand new roof, new screen, painted lanai. This home is perfect. So let me know what you think about this home. What's your favorite part about this property? Maybe master, maybe the living room, maybe the kitchen, or maybe the family room. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video to the end with me. Hopefully you like this video. Hopefully comment below what you like about this property and what you don't like about this property. And this property checks all the checkbox for me because this has mother-in-law, and you guys know I will have a lot of guests come to my house. Man, my glass getting fogged up because it's so hot up here. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope to see you guys see my other videos as well. Give me a thumbs up as well, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful and you get to see different homes in Southwest Florida and different things to talk about, you know, how to purchase a home. We'll talk with the lenders, insurances and stuff like that. So I hope to guys see you in the next channel. Next video. Peace out.